Hi guys, so today what we're going to do is we're going to finish up the second part of the project of our little clay face person. But today we're going to take our portrait that we made out of clay and then make it a metallic portrait using aluminum foil. So what you guys should need today is the aluminum foil, your portrait, some glue. I'm just using tacky glue. You can use Elmer's glue. And then I'm also grabbing like a popsicle stick, but you guys can grab like a pen or something, or a skewer, but I'm just going to use this because it has like a soft edge for when I put the foil on, just to kind of make sure it hits all of the different cracks and crevices that I made in my portrait. So first off, you guys, actually when I lifted up my portrait earlier today, I realized that since the clay had dried, it kind of started to slide off the cardboard. So first what I did is I took my whole portrait, I put some glue on the back of it really gently, so maybe you can get a parent to help with it, and then I glued it down onto the cardboard because it stopped sticking. So you can pause this video, do that first, and once you're done with that, you can follow along for the rest of it. So again, this will be pretty simple. It'll just take some time. What we're going to do is take the piece of foil I gave you. Some of you guys, I gave you a really big piece of foil and fold it in half. You can unfold it. And then we're going to do, we're going to put it over our portrait, try to get it kind of in the middle of it. And then we're going to just start pressing really gently. So that's kind of the key here. So I'm starting with the nose because it's kind of in the middle of the face. I'm just trying to press down all around it, almost like I'm recreating the thing out of clay, until you can kind of start to see the nose and the foil. And so we just want to keep doing that for the whole face really gently. You can kind of start seeing my eye too. And I would work kind of from the inside outward, because sometimes you're gonna have to fold the foil a little bit. So even like when I need to try to get into the nose spot, I'm gonna try to use this little, to get into these little nose slits I made in my piece. But it kind of folds it, so you wanna work from the inside out. So now that the nose is all good, I can kind of, oh, see I cut it a little bit. That's okay too if you guys rip the foil at all. And then make sure these cheeks pressing down. Your foil might start to fold a little bit, and that's okay. Pressing on this neck. So you guys can kind of start to see that my face is coming out of here. So now that that's happening, what I want to do to secure my foil down, now that I can kind of see where my face is, what I'm going to do is I am going to lift this off. So now I did all that, I'm going to lift it off and it kind of stays. But then I'm going to put some glue on my clay so I can glue my foil to my person. So I just can do that next. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some dots of glue, and then I'm going to kind of spread it around, almost like it's paint or something. Okay, so now that I've got glue everywhere, I'm going to take my little face I made and then stick it back on as best as I can. There you go. And then I'm just going to again press everywhere until it sticks. using this kind of gently to press in some of those places so you can really see them. Cool. Now I'm gonna have you guys do a last step. I'm actually gonna try to cover the foil as much as I can and fold this over. So hopefully you guys should have enough foil to go a little bit around here too. I just want to cut my cardboard a little bit more so that my foil isn't quite long enough there. Now it can all fit. And if you guys want to, you can also tape it or glue it around the back. I also grabbed some tape because I might tape the edges, but then you're pretty much done. The foil pretty much stays if you decide not to do that. And you guys can see you have your kind of 3D portrait. You can see my nose and the mouth, my eyes, and everything, and the ears that I made. So that's it. Great job, guys.